All right, next thing is once you have all of your chart of accounts created, so just to recap, that is the each offering that you have. So if you've got, in this case, I have my sales account, which has the sub accounts of each project type. So I got my exterior, interior painting, and specialty. That's all part of the sales account. Once I have that, plus my deposit account. So you can see here, I've got my customer deposits, and that's a liability. Now we're going to jump over to products. So I'm going to go in here and select my right here, go to products and services, and we want to create a new product. So we're going to add an item, and the product name is going to be called EXTP for exterior painting. This is a service, and I sell this service to customers. The description here is going to be exterior painting, and the rate is going to be left blank. And this would be a services account, and it's an income account. And sorry, I need to actually, this is key. In the income here, you would choose the one that you have that you just created, which is going to be your right here. So I'm going to choose the sales of product income and this exterior painting. So I choose that. And so what that's doing is it's taking my sales from the exterior painting, or when I sell this service, it's going to put the revenue from this service into the EXTP chart of accounts. So I'm going to go ahead and click Save and Close. And then I want to go in one more time, click another one. So this is going to be another service. And this one is going to be called INTP. And this is interior painting. And then once again, this is going to go into the INTP account that we just made. And we're going to have this, we'll save and close. And then do another one for service. And for our specialty, and spec, save and close. And then the last one is going to be service, INTC, interior cabinet painting. And once again, pick that account we just made, INTC, there we go. So now I've got, at this point, I've got 4 products or services listed for each service. Each one of those services is mapped to the appropriate chart of accounts in the income. And I also have a customer deposits set up as a liability. That's the starting place for us to be able to actually assign everything that we need to from a revenue perspective when we're generating invoices.